Well, I'm cooking up some pork chops today, and this is what I paid for them, $21.75 for 2.29 kilograms, which is over 5 pounds. Anyway, it's a good amount of meat, but they used to be about $13, $14 for this size. Let me just wash it up and we'll get started. Well, there's just 4 of us having dinner here tonight, but I thought it out. What I should have done was separate it all, because look at the size of these chops, guys. You know, Kirkland or Costco chops are thick. So I'm going to butterfly them, and there's going to be more than enough. I might be sending Peter some of this home, but I'm going to butterfly them. I can feel that they're not quite thawed out yet, but that makes it a little bit easier to work with sometimes. All right, so I'm just going to get through that tendon there, that silver skin. There we go. So that's a good sized piece of meat right there. You know, for one person, that's more than enough. But I've got men here that will eat, so hopefully they eat. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Look at that. So thick. Anyway, let's see. There goes my phone. This baby girl coming back from the beach. It's nice, eh? I've cut the grass, cleaned the house, made supper. I think what I'm going to do with these is just salt and pepper. And don't tell the smoker in the family, but I might put a little bit of that liquid smoke on here. I could even do the paprika, I guess. Yeah. All right, let me get the rest of these done, and then we'll do the next step. All right, look at the whack of meat we have here, guys. That is a lot of meat. But we're gonna get a few meals out of that. So I guess you probably could have gotten about 4 or 5 meals if you were just 2 people out of that package of pork chops. But I think right here, we're gonna start with some brown sugar. And again, you guys, I'm not measuring anything, I'm just putting it in there. I think if I go with a little bit sweeter, I'm gonna have some caramelized bits on my pork chops. Yeah, I don't know, let's see. What's that like? Half a cup packed brown sugar. And normally I would put some worse than Chester sauce in here, because it smells worse than any Chester, but it smells like feet Worcestershire sauce, but I mean, it does add. So I'm just putting some regular soy in here. Again, just pour it all in there. Some mustard. Because I don't have any Worcestershire sauce, so that's like 3 squirts of that. I'm going to try and put a little bit of this Frank's Red Hot Sweet Chili sauce in there. Maybe that'll be good. I don't know. That might be good as a dipping sauce for after they're cooked, actually. All right. So, let's get our, let's smell it. Okay. So, let's see how many we're going to get in there. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so there's 5 there. 5 there, 5 here. So I'm going to see if I can get this marinade going here. It is 2:21 in the afternoon. And gonna massage this in. And then I'm gonna leave that in the fridge for a good hour after I get it all worked in. Make sure all those flavors are married together. Marinade. Okay. Okay, that's one. And the other one there, I'm just going to, and you know what I might have to do? I might have to cook these ones after and these ones before, because I know I'm not going to have enough room on my grill for all of them. Well, I might, but it's going to be packed. So I think that's what I'm going to do. Okay, so that's good there for now. And these ones, I'm just going to do salt and pepper, or my other favorite, the tangent. So I might do that. Tangent on some, and then the sweet on the other. Anyway, let's wait for the grill. I tried to start the grill a second ago. It ain't having it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to unscrew this and change the battery. I don't know if we did that yet this year. Huh? This way? Oh, did you see that leaf flying in there? There we go. Just change the battery out, guys. It's a breezy day today. All right, I'm going to let that heat up a little bit, and we're going to get our pork on there. Boy, it's breezy. Spray a little bit on the bottom. Medium heat. I'll go back and I'll do all the tops. Yep. Up, up. So there was 8 pork chops in that packet. Ten chops. So, I mean, if you were freezing these for yourself, people say I don't want to go to Costco because I'm just one person, but if you were freezing those for yourself, you could have, like, if you were only eating half, like some of these are huge, you could have like half that pork chop, and that could be your meal with a salad and whatever else. So I'm just going to go through and I'm going to spritz a little more at the top. And then the sweet ones I'll leave for an hour or so in the fridge. I just love the citrus lime in this. This is so good. This is how I'm rimming my Caesars now. I'm rimming it with this. Oh my gosh. So good. Leave them alone for a bit. And then put them on low, 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 low. Uh-oh, that one went right out as soon as I turned it down. come back in about 10 minutes. Look, we're ready to turn them. They lift up, they're turnable. There we go. Gotta watch with the pork though. You don't want to leave it on for too long because it will dry right out. There we go. Checking in a few. Alright, I think we've been 20 minutes, 15, 20 minutes. Got the barbecue too close to the railing. Let's check it out. I might let that go just a bit longer. That's right, guys, these are on low, so, ooh, look at that. I love those bits. How do you turn that one? Okay, we can go a little bit longer. 15, 20 minutes so far, 15, but like I said, they're on super low. While we're waiting for the pork chops, I decided I was just going to use up these leftover buns that I have here that I got on the weekend before they go bad and moldy. $3.79. I don't want to throw them out. There was 3 in the pack for $3.79, and I don't want to toss them out. I'm just gonna do a quick garlic butter here, guys. I'm gonna smell my house out. I know I am, but all right. That didn't work so great, did it? Push harder. All right, that might be too big. I think I'll kill my family if I smell up my house like that. I had this little itty bitty bit of garlic butter left here, but it's not enough to do these 2 rolls, so I'm stuck making some more. But my butter, because it is, well, it's 72 in the house, so that's about 2 tablespoons of butter here. Maybe I'll do one more, you know, that's what I'm calling a tablespoon. These are my big spoons. Well, there's that. I'm going to put a little bit of parsley in there. Pinch of rue. And a little bit of salt and pepper. I think that's all I'm going to do. A little bit of pepper. A little bit of salt. Sorry. And that's that. I'm going to cut this up. Maybe I'll strain it. Yeah, I don't know. I'm just using my placemat here to cut, guys. Or should I grate it? I think I'll grate it. Yeah. Wish I had a microwave outside. Sometimes I do it on the stove, but most of the time I do this in the microwave. I wish I had one outside today, though. Ooh, you can smell it. All right. Well, put that together with my butter. And voila, garlic butter. I'm gonna melt it though, so it cooks that garlic a little bit. Wish me luck. There we go. Guess my hands are clean. I believe that's it. I'm going to pull them off. Look good to you guys? Sit them in a dish. And actually, after when I cook the other ones, I can put these ones back on the top if I need to. I don't know what I was thinking that dish was going to hold all of them, but look at that. Nice. Oh, that one's mine. I called dibs. Look at that. Nice. All right, guys. Wait for the next load. Here's a nice treat for the summer. I'm going to make... I've got some asparagus that I've cut and washed, and some prosciutto. And the asparagus, was, I think, $5-ish, and the prosciutto, I think, was about $8. So if I don't cook this, it will just go to waste, because I know it'll be in the garbage on Friday. I'll tell you this, if I were to buy prosciutto myself, I would have to have it cooked. I can't eat it with a sandwich, like some people put that on something. So here we go. My kids are home now. So what I'm gonna do, hi, Gray.
Hi.
Grayson's home from school now. You say hi? You're going to be... Hi! There we go. Okay, now let Graham finish. All right. It's just fatty for me, it is, but... Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 slices. And I got more than that of... Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut these. And I've had it before where I've used a whole piece, and that's great, but it's really salty sometimes. So I'm going to cut some of these so they're not so salty. Make sure that you label your kitchen scissors, guys, because your kids will take them. And then they'll say they don't have them, and then you'll say, you liar, because they got kitchen on them. All right. I'll do one more where it's half. We'll see if I can find some smaller spears, and then those ones will get the halves. All righty. Let's see what we got here. So smaller side, smaller side, smaller side. This is actually pretty good asparagus, because sometimes you get asparagus and it's just garbage. It was quiet. All right. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of that cream cheese, lolly it up there. Okay. Now we're just gonna take our prosciutto and wrap it. There's one. The cream cheese adds a nice touch. Sometimes I'll use two if I bring it all the way up to the top like this. The prosciutto gets nice and crispy. We'll do this in tin foil on the barbecue. It'll be so nice. All right, there's one more. go. There we go. All right, I'm going to get the rest of these done. We'll enjoy that for supper too. I'm just about to take these off. They are done. Maybe not. The bigger ones. The smaller ones, yep, they're done. These are the ones that are marinated. I've seen that bubbling before. Ooh, they're sticking from the sugar. I'm pretty low too. It's flavor there, guys. Turn them down a bit more.